Here. Be very low. Yeah, so one of my main problems with the bike was that when I got back home, it didn't want to run. I didn't want to run right. You start it up and it like kind of bogs, or it would like not have enough fuel. You could feel it. It would like almost die out sometimes unless you give it throttle. It would actually only like running on choke when you start it. So I suspect it was the pilot jet, because when you give it throttle, it works perfectly fine. When I got this back home, I opened up the old carburetor and figured out that the pilot jet was so clogged that you couldn't see through it. These old Twinstars, the carburetors that came with it, when I opened it up, I couldn't see through the pilot jet at all. And I removed the float bowl and whatnot. I checked that was fine. The pilot jet you cannot take out, so no matter what I did, carburetor cleaner, compressed air, you can poke a stick through it, couldn't do anything to it. So the only thing left was to buy a new carburetor. So I bought a replacement carburetor, put that in just now, and it's working perfectly fine. In this one, fortunately, you can take out the pilot jet, and I was able to look through the pilot jet, and it's new, so I was able to look through it. It was fine. I need a new light for this. This is broken. I'm not sure if I can put LEDs on this because this is a 6-volt system. I'm gonna try anyway. I'm gonna put some LEDs, 12-volt LEDs. In theory, it should. I know LEDs use way less power than those incandescents, so hopefully, if I do replace them, it shouldn't cause too much problem on the 6-volt system that came with the bike. But yeah, if your bike doesn't like running, only likes being run on choke, so you gotta pull the stick, and when you close it, it dies. So that would mean your pilot jet would be clogged.